Hi, this is Summer with the Stepping Stones group. For this tutorial, we will review how to schedule and edit a Zoom meeting. Navigate to the Zoom website by going to zoom.us. From the home page, you'll click Sign In. Once you've signed in, you have an option to schedule a meeting from the top of the page. To create a new meeting, we'll enter a topic or subject line, a description is optional. We'll select a date and time and duration. Make sure you check your time zone. And if we want to set up this meeting to reoccur on a regular basis, we will click Recurring Meeting in order to expand for additional options. We can set up this meeting to reoccur on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, and we can select how often we want this meeting to repeat. For weekly reoccurrences, you can actually select more than one day in the week. We'll enter an end date. Typically, this might be the end of the school year. And so for this example, Zachary will receive OT therapy sessions every Monday and Wednesday for 45 minutes at 9 a.m. Eastern, beginning August 26th. It's important to note when you set up a recurring meeting, the student and parent will receive the same meeting invitation for all occurrences. If it's just an individual therapy session not to reoccur, then that session will have its own unique invitation link. So now that we've set up our date, time, duration, and reoccurrence, we'll scroll down for additional options. Registration is not required for the student or parent. A security passcode is not required, although you're welcome to enter one if you'd like. We'll turn on the video webcam for you, the host, and the student, the participant. For audio functions, we'll select both. This will allow the student to attend via computer audio by simply clicking the invitation link, which is the preferred method. But the telephone option also provides a backup in case audio troubles occur during the session. This will allow the student to separately dial in by telephone for audio functions if needed. The additional meeting options below, you'll likely leave blank, and we'll click Save. So now that we've created our meeting, all we need is this invitation link, and you can copy and paste and send this to the student or parent via email or text. From this page, you can also add this meeting to your Google Calendar. We'll select the SSG Gmail account, and this will add the session to my Google Calendar, including all reoccurrences. I can click Save, or I can also choose to invite the student or parent as well. It contains the same meeting invitation link, so whether you decide to send that to the parent or student via invitation, email, or text, it will always be the same link. So now that we've created our meeting, let's view all scheduled meetings by clicking Meetings in the navigation bar to the left. You can see all the meetings you have scheduled. This will also allow you to edit sessions that have already been set up. We can edit just one occurrence. If we need to change the time for this particular date and only this date, for example, and click Save, it will have changed the time for only that occurrence, and the meeting invitation link remains the same. We can also edit all occurrences if you needed to change all occurrences. So for example, in this particular meeting, maybe we need to change it from 45 minutes to an hour, and maybe it's just once a week or once every 2 weeks. We can change the time, the dates, and it will change for all occurrences for this particular student. Any changes you make on the Zoom webpage will also automatically update to your Google Calendar if you've chosen to add it to your calendar. I hope you found this helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions.